Hey guys, so I'm gonna be talking about why I do not like a notch or a hole punch on my phone. Um, Basically, I know it's there to serve a purpose, but I just think it is very distracting, especially when you're watching a video in landscape. Um, yeah, it can get pretty distracting. And yeah, it just looks like a dead pixel or something. um of course that you may have a different opinion about it, but yeah, I completely understand why you would like it or why you would think different. And here I show you guys the evolution of the notch. When it first came out, it came out on the iPhone 10, and it was pretty bad. Like, it is really big. And then it came out on the Pixel 3 XL, and that's like the worst notch ever. You know, you can say that the hole punch is better than the notch, obviously, but yeah, I still do not like it. I prefer a full display than a notch or a hole punch.